Namaste. Let's begin the video. So first stock I gave you to buy for today's session was Torrent Power and the buying level was 486 rupees. Let me go to Torrent Power and 487.50, which means that our SL was triggered. 487.50 was the high in today's session. Talking about the second stock, it was Tata Motors and buying level was 297 rupees. Let's go to Tata Motors. It went as high as 303 rupees. Let me go to 5-minute chart. My entry level was 297 rupees. So easily it was triggered somewhere here and price went above 303, which means that all the targets were hit. Third stock was Bandhan Bank and buying level was 289 rupees. So this is Bandhan Bank. On the daily chart, 289, price did not came closer to hitting the entry level. So I am going to write here, did not hit entry level. The last stock was Sell Avanti Feeds at 552 rupees. So let me go to Avanti Feeds. The breakout did not happen, price retraced and went to high levels. So I am going to copy the third result as it is for the fourth one. First stock that I am going to analyze for tomorrow's session is Zee Entertainment. On the daily chart, the level of 184 is delicately poised to break out in tomorrow's session. This particular level was previously acting as a support level, as you can see here. Then it became a resistance level. So let us see the price action. This was the first attempt made by buyers to break the support level. After that, price tried to go down, but it did not reach previous low, which means that the buyers are still intact in the price and one more push can break the much needed breakout level, which can take the price in the vicinity of, let me zoom out and find a plausible resistance. So I can see the level of around 190 to be a good target. Let me pull down the line. Yeah, 190 is a very good target. Price can go even higher than that, but if we buy at 184 and if we can hold the stock till 190, we are going to earn 6 rupees per share, and that is an amazing profit in a stock which is trading in the range of 180. Second stock that I am going to analyze is Havells India, and on 15 minutes chart this is a breakout level and the breakout level is coming at 1462 rupees. Let's understand the price action. So this was the first time price came closer to the breakout level, and then this was the second time, and after that it was pushed way back and it came and found support near 1420 rupees. After that there was a bit of concession in the price. Price was trading in between this range, and once this resistance, a minor one, was broken, as we can see, it took 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts. After that, the price was going up and over. There was no stopping the price, and which can be vindicated by spike in volume activity along with high range bullish candle. So this looks like a very good level. And the most important thing which is standing out to me is this particular candle. Price went to the breakout level and there was bit of selling, as can be seen from the wick on the bottom end. But the very next candle, price tried to go lower and it was pushed to higher levels by buyers, which means that buyers have not lost the momentum and they are wanting to push the price even higher, and this is going to give confidence to all the buyers, and if all of them buy in decent quantity, we can expect 30 to 40 rupees session. Third stock that I am going to analyze is Voltas Limited. On 15-minute chart, this is a well formed breakout level and it is delicately poised for a breakout. And why I am saying that, so pay attention. This was the first time the breakout level was tested. By the way, the breakout level is above 1217, and then price came lower, and this was second time, this was third time. The most important thing that we have to look at here is that the previous low was around, the round number was 1200. Now the low is elevated to 120, which means that buyers are buying at higher levels and at the same time sellers are reluctant to sell at high levels. So this particular thing is going to play a huge role in buyers buying above the breakout line, breakout level, and that is what we want. If that materializes in tomorrow's session, we can certainly expect a decent enough momentum, and that momentum can take the stock price in the vicinity of 1250. Last but certainly not least stock for tomorrow's session is Tata Steel. On the hourly chart, this is a perfect level and the breakout is coming above 1460. Looking at this particular price action, it seems that, let me going to draw one more line. I have zoomed out. So this is a line which denotes support level. So it is pretty self-explanatory that what is happening here. The range is getting shrinked, which means that there is a less selling coming through, as we can see, and more buying prevailing in the price. Let's look at how price is reacting. So this is the first time price came at the support level. This was the first time the breakout level was tested. Look at it. The previous low was 1370 and the current low is hovering around 1405. So as I'm saying multiple times throughout my videos, when you see this particular pattern, it means only one thing, that buyers are buying at higher levels and sellers are failing to take the price low because they are not willing to sell at higher level, which means that they are expecting buyers to take the price even higher. So after this particular testing of the breakout level, see how the range is getting narrower. So this particular narrow range in and around the breakout level is shouting aloud that please trade me. The breakout is going to happen, and the most important thing here, look at the gap. So this should be our target, which is coming at 1489 or 14890. So now we have seen the analysis. It's time to see all possible levels. I'm going to share this level in my Telegram channel as well. One thing that we all have to keep in mind, please trade responsibly. Do not go overboard. Do not take unnecessary risk if you are not confident. If you want to take risk, what I will advise you that, for example, you bought a stock at 500 rupees for day trading, and you are expecting the stock to go about 520. So what you can do, as soon as your trade is executed and the current price is 503, so you can trail your stop loss to 502. What it will do, it will lock your profit from 500 to 503. And if price goes on to make higher highs pattern and goes into vicinity of 520, you are going to earn 20 rupees per share. And that's how you should take risk in terms of trailing your stop loss tighter and going for higher profit. So I am going to sign off from this video. If you have any question, please let me know. All of you take care of yourself. We are going to meet in the next video.